Do you have just 2,500 Naira to invest? Now watch this video, because in this video I'm going to put you through step by step on how to invest at least 2,500 Naira in crypto for maximum returns. Now you might be asking, how can I invest 2,500 in crypto and get maximum returns? Now, one way to invest at least 2,500 in a crypto is by investing in the LLCP bundle. LLCP bundle. Now, what is the LLCP bundle? The LLCP bundle is called Luno Large Cap Performance Bundle. Luno Large Cap Performance Bundle. Now, it is a bundle that contains the top 5 cryptocurrency in one bundle. So when you buy the bundle, you are not just buying the individual crypto, you are buying the 5 crypto coins at once in one bundle. The 5 crypto in the bundle are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and XRP. Now, these are the top 5 cryptocurrency coins in the market right now. So investing in the LLCP bundle means you are buying them at once. So if they are performing well, you are making profit. Now, this will help you minimize your risk. For those of you that you are afraid of investing in single cryptocurrency because of the risk, or you don't know which particular crypto to invest in, when you invest in the LLCP bundle, you are buying 5 crypto coins at once. And now, do you know the amazing thing? If you had invested in this bundle last year, you would have made lots of profit today. So in this video, I'm going to take you through step-by-step process, show you a step-by-step process of how to invest in the LLCP bundle. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download the Luno app. Go to your phone right now, go to Play Store, then download Luno app. Luno, it's a cryptocurrency app that is used for investing in crypto. So when you download Luno app, I'll show you the next thing you should do. Follow me.
So this is the app we are going to be using to invest in the bundle. This app is called Luno app. It's a legit app. You have nothing to worry about. It's a legit app. So you just go to Play Store and you download the app Luno. You search Luno and you download it. Right? If you have not created an account, when you download it, you open the app. And when you open the app, this is what you are going to see. So this is the Luno interface. This is what you are going to see. Right? A list of coins. Right? Then first thing you are supposed to do when you download Luno, come to profile down here. You see this place written profile down here. Come here, then come to this settings and verify. Make sure you verify here on this your settings. Right? Come to profile, come to settings, and make sure you get verified. Right? So as you can see, I am fully verified. Right? So you are going to verify with either your NIN. I don't know if it's NIN or BVN I use, but one of them gets verified first. I beg you with the name of God. I beg you with the name of God. Don't deposit or do anything in Luno without getting verified. That's the first thing you need to do. When you put your NIN, I think it's going to take a couple of hours or a couple of days. Then you'll get verified. After you have gotten verified, that's when you can start buying coins or doing anything with Luno. Then when you are verified, the next thing you do is come to this rewards here. You see this rewards, click it, click this rewards here, right? And you see this place where it's enter code. You see this place where it is written enter code. Check the description of this video. You are going to see codes, 2 codes. Put in any of the codes here. Then click apply code. When you put in the code and apply code, it means that you'll be eligible to receive free 16,300 anytime you deposit 17,000 Naira on and above in space of 10 days. So if this thing will not work for you if you have been using Luno, if you are downloading for the first time, if you are a new Luno user, if you are a new Luno user, right? This, and you put in the code written in the description of this video, right? And you go on and deposit at least $10, which is like 17,000, and you buy a coin with it. Right? You are going to get free 16,300 Naira in Bitcoin. Free 16,300 Naira in Bitcoin. Right? So now let's go on. Let me explain how you can buy the bundle, the LLCP bundle. Now, if you want to buy the LLCP bundle, remember that you need at least 2,500 to buy the LSCP bundle. But you can buy with 10,000, 5,000, 200,000, any amount. You can even buy with the 17,000 naira depositing. So if you want to get the free 16.3, you apply the code, you deposit 17,000 naira, and you buy crypto, right? You buy crypto, or you can even buy the LSCP bundle, and you are going to get free 16.3 in Bitcoin, right? Now, if you want to buy the bundle, you come to this place written portfolio. Are you seeing it? You come to this place written portfolio. Then you see this thing written down here, invest in a bundle. Look at it written down here. Invest in a bundle. A collection of the largest and most established coins from 2,500. Right? So let's click on it. Now let's move. Let's click next. Let's click got it. Now look at how the bundle has performed over time. It has grown by over 1,600% over time. This bundle was launched on Luno recently, right? So if you had invested when it was launched, you would have gained over 1,000% since when it was launched. Let's look at 3 months. If you have invested in the past 3 months, you would have gained 24%. So anybody that had invested 100k in this bundle 3 months ago, that person 100k would have been 124k now. Or yes, anybody that have invested 1 million, that person 1 million would be 1.2 million now. So over 24%, that's what it has grown in the past 3 months, and all time it has grown by over 1%. Now, what is in the bundle? Let's look at what is in the bundle. Look at it written down here below. What is in the bundle? Now, the bundle contains 5 crypto coins, like I explained. So it contains Bitcoin, Ripple, Solana, Ethereum, and Cardano. So when you buy this bundle, any amount you are buying putting in this bundle, you are buying all these coins at once. And a major part of the bundle is Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, then followed by Ripple, Solana. Cardano is the lowest. So this one now, you are buying all these coins at once. It will help you minimize your risk and help you. It will give you that confidence to tell you, okay, you are holding 5 of these top crypto coins at once. You don't need to go and buy them one by one. Now, how do you buy it? You click on next. See this next? You click on it, right? Then you the first thing you need to do is to make sure you deposit. For instance, now me, I have money in my wallet, my Naira wallet. I have 3,000 Naira extra that I can use to buy it. But you might not have the money, so you need to deposit money first. Let me show you how to deposit into Luno. If you want to deposit into Luno, you come to this place here, this portfolio. Are you seeing it? You click on this Naira. You click on this cash you are seeing here. Are you seeing the Naira wallet I clicked on? You clicked on it. Let me go back and show you. This Naira, this Nigeria symbol, you click on it. Then you click on deposit. Right? When you click on deposit, you can deposit through 2 methods, either bank transfer or voucher. I advise to use a bank transfer. So you click on bank transfer. You put in the amount you want to deposit. Right? So let me just put in 5,000 Naira. You click on next. Now, they are going to generate a personal bank account for you. All you need to do is to send the money to the bank account. Transfer the money to the bank account. Then when you transfer the money to the bank account, right, the money is going to reflect in your wallet. But you are to transfer that money within 1 hour. So you see, all I need to do is to click on continue. So as you can see, it is written here that when I deposit 5,000, they are going to give me 4,800 because they are charging me 100 Naira for the transaction. So look at it. They have generated an account number for me. Sterling Bank, account name, account number, amount. So all I need to do is to copy this account number here. You see this account? I copy it and I transfer 5,000 Naira to it. I will transfer 5,000 Naira to it. So once I transfer 5,000 Naira to it, I will wait small. Then I'll come back to my Luno wallet and see it will be credited. The reason I'm not going to transfer is because my wallet is already funded. I already have money in my Luno. But if you don't have money in your Luno wallet, this is how you can deposit. So if you want to buy the bundle with 2.5 or 10,000 or 20,000 or 17,000, you first of all deposit first using bank transfer. They are going to give you an account number. You send money to it and you wait and you will be funded. Then when you have done that, you can now buy the bundle. So let's go back to the bundle. So we are trying to buy the bundle. You click on invest in a bundle, then you click on next. You click on got it. Then you click on next. Then you put you click on next here. Why is this? Yes, you click on next, then you put the amount you want to buy. So I want to buy with 2,500, which is the least. Then currency is Naira, you choose next, right? So you are going to agree with their terms and conditions, and you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, it is going to automatically buy. I'm not going to buy now because I don't want to buy now. I'm going to buy later. But when you click on confirm, here, right, it is automatically going to buy, right? Yeah. But they will tell you to put in your PIN, a 4-digit PIN, which you are supposed to create when you are registering the Luno account. So click on confirm, and that's it. So this is how to buy a Luno large cap performance bundle, right? The bundle contains 5 of the top crypto coins, right? So when you are investing in this bundle, you are investing in it on these 5 coins. Now, to get the best out of this, I advise you invest for the long term. These coins are established coins with good fundamentals. So anybody investing in this bundle for the long term, I believe this person will gain. If you are investing in this bundle consistently for a period of 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, I believe you will definitely gain and benefit from this. But finally, I must warn, whatever I'm saying in this video is not a financial advice. I'm just recommending, I'm just showing you an investment opportunity, a way to grow your money. This is not a financial advice. I'm not telling you to go and invest. Before you invest, do your own research, make your own informed decision based on your research you have made. This is not a financial advice, right? And finally, make sure you understand crypto before putting money into it. Crypto is very, very volatile. You can buy a crypto coin today and lose the money. So you need to understand what you are putting money into first. Get proper knowledge, get mentorship, get someone that will teach you and understand the basis of cryptocurrency before you buy your first crypto. That is my advice for you. So this is how to buy the Luno large cap performance.
If you enjoyed this video and you want me to be giving you more videos like this on investment, please like this post and drop a comment. Drop any comment. It could be a question you are asking. It could be just any nice comment. What do you think about this video? Or any suggestion? Please do well to drop a comment, give me a like, and subscribe to these channels so that I'll be encouraged to make videos around investing and videos that can help you make and multiply money. My name is Eruka Otene. God bless you for watching.